Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to knock out stroke in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. See this shape on text or text. Example, choose the first text layer, double click the text layer, then show this blending option, fill opacity 0. Stroke, choose the stroke color. Example, use color black. Position, choose your position, use center, then see this blend mode opacity, again blending option, use shallow or deep. Example, use shallow. See this result for the change background color. Okay, then again double click stroke, and now see this stroke opacity, blend mode overlay, use normal. Okay, apply the same process for shape. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.